What is your name?
My name is Shabnoor.
In which class do you read?
I am reading class 5B.
Tell me about the project you have made.
Welcome to my maths fair. This shows shape. Here we can see a circle, square, rectangle and triangles. These slides show types of lines, here such as line segment, ray and parallel lines. And these seesaw show comparison symbols, greater than, smaller than and equal to. When one side goes up, the others come down. This park teaches math through English and games and activities. So maths is easy learning and maths is fun here. Thank you. Have a nice day.
What is your name?
My name is Rifa Khan, she is Yumna Khan, she is Hifza Khan.
In which class do you read?
I read in class 5B.
Tell me about the project you have made.
Computer is an electronic machine. It is on IPO cycle. I means input, P means passing, O means output devices.
Input devices, keyboard and mouse are input devices. We use instruction to the computer. Scanner is also an input device. It covered hard copy into soft copy. This is a light pen. It is used to instruction to the computer. This is a webcam. It is used to capture photos and videos. This is a joystick, CPU, instruction, control, games, dependent and computer. Processing output devices. CPU is the brain of computer. It processes the data and controls all the parts. Monitor and printer are output devices. Monitor shows the result on the screen. Printer gives hard copy of our work. All student conclusion. Input devices give data. CPU processes the data. This is speaker. It produces the sound from the computer. This is projector. It displays computer's image on a big screen. All and output devices show the result. All these parts together make a computer system. Thank you. Have a nice day.
What is your name?
My name is Alina and she is Ikra.
In which class do you read?
I read in class 7th.
And tell me about the project you have made.
Today we are going to explain my project on lungs.
Lungs is an importance organs of our respiratory system.
They help breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. We have 2 lungs inside our chest protected by the rib cage.
Healthy lungs help our body stay active and strong.
What is your name?
My name is Alicia and she is Zia.
In which class do you read?
Class 7.
Tell me about the project you have made.
Good morning, sir. We are here to represent a working model on pollution.
Pollution means the contamination of our environment by harmful substances.
There are different types of pollution such as air pollution, water pollution and land pollution.
Pollution is mainly caused by vehicles, factories and cutting trees.
Pollution harms human health, animals and nature.
To reduce pollution, we should plant more trees and avoid plastic waste, water and eco-use friendly products.
If we protect our environment today, we can ensure a healthy future for tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Vaishnavi and she is Arushi.
In which class do you read?
Class 5th A.
Tell me about the project you have made.
This is our project Animal Habitat.
Animal habitat can be defined as a type of place in which it is natural to live or grow.
There are 4 animal habitat here: forest, desert, polar region, aquatic region.
Forest habitat is this green area where many animals like deer, lion, horse live. Polar habitat is this white area where many animals like polar bear and seals live.
Aquatic habitat is this blue or where animals like fish and frogs. It represents rivers, ocean, etc. Desert habitat, this sandy are shores and where animals like camel and plant like cactus live.
This model explains different animal habitat and show how animals live in places suitable for need.
Thank you.
Hello Altamash.
Hello ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning ma'am.
In which class do you read?
From class 7 ma'am.
Tell me about your project.
My project is rural and urban areas.
Okay.
Rural areas are villages where people mainly depend on farming, agriculture. They have open spaces, fresh air and a simple lifestyle. Urban areas. Urban areas are cities and towns with many buildings, industries, schools and hospitals. Life in urban areas is fast and modern. Both rural and urban areas are important for the development of our country. Thank you.
Good morning, Hayat.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Hayat Abdi.
In which class do you read?
I read in class 8.
Tell me about the project you made.
So today I am going to present my working model on sectors of Indian economy. This working model shows how different sectors are interconnected and work together. Sectors of Indian economy is based on 3 sectors: primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Primary sector include fishing, forestry and agriculture. Secondary sector include construction and industries. And tertiary sector include education, bank and trade. Primary sector supplies us raw material like wheat and cotton. These raw material go to the secondary sector for manufacturing, and finished goods are distributed with the help of tertiary sector. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
I am Ifra and she is Shifa.
From which class you belong to?
I read class in 7th.
Tell me about the project you made.
Good morning, sir. I am Ifra.
And I am Shifa.
Today, we are going to explain my project on wastewater management.
Wastewater management is the dirty water from home, school and industries.
If not treated properly, it can cause pollution and disease.
Wastewater management means cleaning using dirty water through treatment plant.
Wastewater management helps save water and keep our environment clean and healthy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning, morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Salim. He is a boy.
Which class you belong to?
We belong to class 8th.
Tell me about your project.
My project is earthquake alarm. An earthquake is a natural disaster that can damage buildings, roads, and can cause loss of lives. It is very important to have an early warning system and to reduce damage and save lives. The main aim of this model is detect vibration of the ground and give an early alarm. The main components is used to our vibration sensor. Our vibration sensor battery, connecting wires, and is the battery of the main is the of the sensor. Thank you.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
In which class do you read?
We are read from 6th class.
What have you made?
I have made carbon purification model.
Tell me about your project.
Good morning, sir. I am Hassan. Today we are here to show our working model on carbon purification.
Carbon purification is a process that removes impurities from a substance using activated carbon. Activated carbon is a form of carbon that will treated to increase its surface area, making it highly effective absorbing impurities. Our model demonstrates a simple carbon purification process using a plastic bottle, activated carbon sand. Activated carbon traps impurities like chemical and heavy metal, allowing clean water to pass through. This
Carbon purification is a simple, cost-effective way to remove impurities from water and air, making it a valuable technology and community worldwide. That's our carbon purification working model. Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Aliva. She is Ariva.
In which class do you read?
I read in class 5B.
Tell me about the project you have made.
Today we are here to represent the working model of solar system. The solar system has the sun at the center. The sun is our biggest star and gives us light and heat. There are 8 planets that move around the sun, fixed parts of course orbits.
The 8 planets are: it is the first planet Mercury, it is the closest planet to the Sun, it is the second planet Venus, it is the hottest planet, it is the third planet Earth, it is your home planet and it supports life. It is the fourth planet Mars, it is called the red planet, it is the sixth planet Uranus, Saturn, it has beautiful rings around it. It is the seventh planet Uranus, it rotates on its side. It is the 8th planet Neptune, it is the furthest planet to the Sun. All the planets are revolve around the Sun and also rotates on their one axis. This model helps us understand the position and movement of the planets. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
In which class do you read?
I read in class 6.
What have you made?
We made a microscope.
Okay, tell me about your project.
What is microscope? A microscope is an instrument that magnifies tiny objects or samples, revealing details invisible to the naked eyes. We have created a simple microscope used in cardboard, lenses, and source of light. The model has a base with a movable stage for holding light. A tube with lenses, convex and eyepiece magnifies the sample. A light source, LED or mirror, illuminates the sample.
How it works? There is a lens that magnifies the light from the source. The eyepiece lens magnifies the sample of the glass. Thank you.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
In which class do you read?
I study in class 5th A.
What have you made?
We have made industrial area.
Tell me about your project.
Hello everyone. My name is Avika.
And I am Nandini, and this is our project industrial area. Industrial area is a zone region designed for manufacturing goods. The big building represent factories where goods are made, packed or stored. The black roads show how vehicles move in the industrial area. Raw material. The car represent transport used by workers for carrying goods. The smaller houses show where workers may live near the industrial area. The green spaces and the trails of pollution making around the industrial area. The smaller houses show where workers make around the industrial area. This model explains how an industrial area works, showing factories, transport, people and greenery together. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Ikra.
Okay. And what is your name?
My name is Sanafa.
And what is your name? In which class do you read?
Class 5th B.
Tell me about your project.
Today we are going to explain our rainwater harvesting model. Rainwater harvesting means collecting and storage for future use. Working of the model, when it rains, water falls on the roof of the house. The rainwater flows through pipes and filter. The filter removes the center from the water.
Storage and benefit after filtering rainwater is stored in a tank. This stored water can be used for watering plants, cleaning and washing. Rainwater harvesting helps to save water and increase groundwater level.
Rainwater harvesting reduces water wastage and help to protect our environment. Thank you. Save water, save life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Shina Siddiqui and this is Miss Shiza.
From which class you belong to?
From class 8.
Tell me about your project.
The hydraulic bridge.
Good morning, sir. Today we are going to present our working model hydraulic bridge. A hydraulic bridge is a type of bridge that open and close with the help of hydraulic pressure.
In our model, we have used singe pipe and clear water to show the hydraulic system. When we press one singe, the water moves through the pipe and pushes the other singe. This movement helps the bridge up and down smoothly.
Hydraulic bridges are very useful in real life. These are commonly found river, harbors and ports. When big ship or boat need to pass the bridge open. After the ship passes, the bridge close again.
Through this model, we want to show how science and engineering make our life easier by a simple principle like hydraulic. Thank you.
I know life's short, so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Fazila. This is Abhiha and this is Isha.
Okay, tell me about your project.
This is water cycle. Today we are here to explain our project water cycle. Water cycle is a process of recycling, moving between oceans and atmosphere.
Heat from the sun warms river water change into evaporation.
When coils become have water fall back to the earth as rain, this is called precipitation. Rainwater collected in river, this is used again in water cycle.
This model shows how water changes, which is vapor. This is water cycle. Thank you.
Thank you.
How's it supposed to feel?
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Veshan Sari. He is Kashif. He is Sarang. He is Abdullah.
From which class you belong to?
We belong to class 8.
Tell me about your project.
Our project on green energy. Green energy is energy that comes from natural sources like sun, wind,
and plants. It is called green energy. It is the concept used in this model is helical wind, hydrogen, solar panel, traffic sense, street light, and smart parking. Thank you.
Green energy is very important for our future because it reduces air pollution, saves fossil fuels, and provides sustainable energy. In conclusion, if we make our green energy today, we can make our earth cleaner and healthier. Thank you.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Mariam Khan. She is Zaina.
From which class you belong to?
I belong class 7.
What have you made?
Renewable energy sources.
How many types of energy are used in this project?
Wind energy, hydro energy, and solar energy.
From where solar energy comes?
From the sun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel?
What is your name?
My name is Tashmia. She is Laiba.
In which class do you read?
I need in class 15.
Tell me about the project you have made.
This model shows a road. This model shows a road.
How's it supposed to feel?
What is your name?
My name is Mudassir. He is Hashan. He is Akshit and he is Tabish.
In which class do you study?
We are studying in class 15.
Tell me about the project you have made.
We all are here to explain our project, Human Digestive System. First of all, digestion starts in mouth. Food is chewed mixed with saliva. Then food goes esophagus, food pipe and move in the stomach.
In stomach mixed with digestive juices and broken down, then food that liver it products is which digestive fact.
Food goes to gallbladder. It stores bile and releases it into small intestine. Pancreas releases digestive enzymes that helps break down food further.
Then food travels to small intestine where much digestion happens. Water is absorbed for the remaining food here and waste material is formed. Anus is the final part where the waste is removed from the body.
What is your name?
My name is Mariam Khan.
In which class do you read?
I read in class 6.
Tell me about the project you have made.
A dam is a barrier built across a river to confine and utilize the flow of water. It is not just a wall of concrete, it is a tool for civilization. Dams are multitasker generally. They serve many purposes, converting kinetic energy into electricity, storing water for farmers during use dry season. The moving water gets collected and activate generator, create electricity. This electricity used by us in our home for daily purposes. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, in which class do you read?
In the 8th class, ma'am.
Okay, tell me about your project.
Ma'am, my project is hydroelectric power plant.
Okay, firstly tell me your name.
My name is Ashil Khan and
Okay.
his name is Altamash.
Okay.
A hydroelectric power plant is a system that produces electricity or flowing water. It is a renewable source of energy and eco-friendly. A hydraulic power plant is a kinetic energy, then mechanical, and finally electrical energy. Hydraulic energy is very useful for us. It is a clean and air-proof energy. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Ghazi.
In which class do you study?
In 7.
Tell me about your project.
This is Chandrayaan 3.
Chandrayaan 3 is India's lunar mission launched by ISRO in July 2023.
Its main objective was to successfully land on the surface of the south pole of the moon.
India became the first country to land near the pole and the fourth country to land on the moon.
This mission shows Indian progress in space technology and made every Indian proud. Thank you.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
What's your name?
Myself, Mehdi, and she's Asya.
In which class do you read?
We are studying class 8th.
What have you made?
This automatic water dispenser.
Tell me about your project.
This model works automatically. It gives water only when a glass placed under it and stop when a glass remove it. This model save water. In this model, the components we are used like battery, cell, connection of wire, etc.
Our model works automatically when the glass on the principle of electric circuit control. When the glass is removed, the circuit break down and they stop the flow of water.
This type of water dispenser can be used in a public space like school, office, hospital, etc. Our models show how simple science can save water and make your daily life easier. Thank you.